Saan mo natatagpuan ang Diyos? Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapet, pandasal muna tayo. You scroll through news of wars, climate disasters, and corruption scandals, then you close your phone in despair. Minutes later, as you wash the dishes, you notice the clear blue sky outside your kitchen window. In that simple moment, peace unexpectedly floods your heart. That's God speaking to you through everyday circumstances. This is how divine presence works. God doesn't wait for us to be spiritually perfect or to go on a retreat in a peaceful convent. He meets us between the altar and everyday life, between our prayer and our playlist. The same God we encounter in Sunday Mass sits with us through Monday's EDSA traffic. He whispers through a friend's text message. He breathes through the lyrics of our favorite songs. I used to believe that holiness required me to cut myself off from the world, but God sanctifies the secular. He's present with me when I drive. He's there when I play pickleball with my friends. He's with me in bed when I lay down with my husband and daughters. Because the sacred doesn't compete with the ordinary, it saturates it. For us, this means every moment is an opportunity for a God encounter. We don't need to wait for our prayer time or quiet chapels. God is here, always, speaking through life's simple beauties, inviting us to recognize His presence exactly where we are. Tayo magdasal. Jesus ng aking buhay, saan man ako bumaling, ika'y naroon. Amen.